What's up, everyone? Hey, my name is Paul Shoemaker from Next Level Extrication. I'm excited to inform you that I am coming back for a second straight year to FDIC for 2024. I'm going to do a lecture that is about an hour and 45 minutes long on lithium-ion battery fires. My objective that I have for this PowerPoint is to teach you as much as I can about not only the vehicle on the side of the road carrying lithium-ion batteries, whether it's an all-electric, plug-in, or hybrid, to talking to you about vehicles behind garage doors and what is the changes from the vehicle out on the street to the vehicle behind the garage door. I also want to cover the scooters, the e-bikes, the RC vehicles where the little rechargeable batteries are lithium-ion batteries, and the lawnmowers we have now. Basically everything lithium-ion. What is that doing if it catches fire inside a structure, and how are we going to handle these fires? What is it going to present like? And we're going to cover every single thing I possibly can in the hour and 45 minutes to talk about things like, are you going to go interior on a structure fire, search off of the hose line, or maybe search ahead of the hose line with no water at all? Maybe you're the nozzle person and you just made access through the front door. You're trying to find the seat of the fire, but the way that these things present themselves aren't going to show that evil side of that fire the way that you would expect. And if it does decide to show itself, maybe it's showing itself the way that we never thought, and it's at the wrong time when you're not ready for it. And I want to talk to you all about why we're seeing that type of fire behavior. How do we recognize it, and then how do we handle that fire? I also want to cover the after fire investigation stuff, and what kind of hazards is the arson investigator going to see when they could be dealing with this thing hours after the fire to weeks after the fire. What are the things that we need to be worried about before we board up these types of homes? I also want to cover things that we're starting to see in my district quite a bit. Is these large warehouses are starting to use forklifts that are lithium-ion batteries. Anything that they use to move, manipulate these packages, deliver these packages are becoming lithium-ion batteries. Well, a lot of times the alarm system, the monitoring system is alerting these crews to specific situations, and when they get in there, the foregas isn't reading what they would expect to read. And I want to talk to you about why you might be seeing those types of readings, and then more importantly, how do we handle that? This is a 750,000 or a million square foot facility, and what do we need to do? What are some of the steps that we need to be looking at to kind of mitigate that problem before it gets potentially out of control? So I want to teach you a little bit about the tactics, the hazards, the concerns, the considerations to handle a whole new breed of fire. We're talking, we went from legacy to modern, and now we're talking about this whole new breed of firefighting, which is called lithium-ion battery fires. And I hope you'll sit through this 1 hour and 45 minutes. Give me that time to sit down and have some discussions with you, get the brain turning, get the wheels spinning, and see if we can't get out there and figure out how to handle these things with some new thought processes. So thank you, FDIC 2024, for having me back again. I hope you all will show up to this lecture. Last year was a phenomenal turnout, and I'm excited to do it again. So thank you so much, and I'll see you out there.